When an object moves faster than the speed of sound, it creates a sonic boom. Sound is a wave of pressure, and here we show two-dimensional cross-sections of the pressure waves, with the vertical dimension representing the strength of the pressure. A sonic boom can be created in water just as it can in air. But a much faster speed is necessary to create a sonic boom while moving through water. This is due to the fact that the speed of sound in water is much faster than the speed of sound in air. The speed of sound through a solid material is even faster than the speed of sound in water. When an object moves through air or water, the sound waves may look like this. If an object moves at exactly the speed of sound, the sound waves in front will not be able to move out of the way. For this reason, going at exactly the speed of sound actually creates a much larger drag than does going much faster than the speed of sound. If the object moves faster than the speed of sound, the pressure waves pile on top of each other into a shock wave in the form of a cone. The angle of this cone depends on the ratio of the speed of sound to the speed of the object. The shock wave we feel when this cone passes us is what we refer to as the sonic boom. Please subscribe for notifications when new videos are ready.